Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to remove a property from an object in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To remove an object, right? What we have to do is we have to use a method that is called the delete, right? You can see that delete whatever the name of your object, right? So here you see that if you want to remove the property like B, C or D, just add delete and here the name of that one, right? So let's try this one, save this one and just go and inspect this console, reload, and here you can see that A and the C is there and the B is removed. Delete object B, this one. This is removed. If I want to say like C over here, so it will also remove the C and printing the B1, A and the B. So this, if there is a such kind of thing coming around, so you can use the delete method to delete or remove a property from an object in the JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.